Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a bootable pen drive. First we have to connect our pen drive. Okay, after connect, there is a bootable pen drive inside. What is there inside? They are showing we needed to format our bootable system, bootable format pen drive. This one is our screen recording software. Okay, this is our pen drive. We needed to close this one, and then after searching which software we wanted to be use this one for make up one pen drive bootable, this one's called Rufus, RUFUS. Okay, I will give my description so where you can download this one. This is the most important thing. This is the targeted system and partition volume. There are two type of volume we can select, or two target system. Old devices called BIOS or MBR, and new devices GPT or UEFI. Any one we can select it. Okay, after okay, we already select our operating system ISO file. After select, just press OK. Automatically this one is copy main ISO file to copy your pen drive. After complete, just connect your computer USB port